This is another idea for that leftover Thanksgiving turkey. I'm Tess, and today I'm making an easy and delicious turkey salad. I have lots of turkey left over from Thanksgiving, and it's time for turkey sandwiches. I really like a simple turkey sandwich with a little mayo and some salt and black pepper, but sometimes I like a turkey salad sandwich. Today, turkey salad sandwiches it is. In a bowl I have about 2 cups of cubed turkey breast. You can use white or dark meat. I'm adding in a little finely diced red onion, or you can use garden onions. Some celery, a couple roughly chopped hard-boiled eggs, a punch of fresh chopped dill, and this is going to add a lot of flavor, a good pinch of salt, black pepper, and a little garlic powder. I'm adding in about a half a cup of mayonnaise to start, and some stone ground mustard. I almost forgot, I'm adding in some chopped sweet gherkin pickles. You can also use dill pickles if you like, but we like the flavor of the gherkins. Giving everything a good toss to combine, covering and refrigerating for 1 to 2 hours before serving. This is how I make our turkey salad, but you can certainly add the seasonings that you like and add the amount of mayonnaise that you like. Some people like it dry and some people like it wet. This turkey salad is really good in a sandwich with your favorite roll, bread, bagel, or pita. It is also great in lettuce wraps, on crackers, or on top of a salad. I hope you give this turkey salad recipe a try, make it your own, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.